think with product development and any products, apart from sort of quality, it's always, can you create something that's better, easier to install, quicker to install, reduces risk, improves performance. So there's lots of little tweaks. Developing products, coming up with the idea. The ideas are quite simple. It's getting from the idea to actual production. It's an identical product to the MS500 other than one key criteria. The standard MS500 has a reaction to fire classification E. The MS500 Fire has a reaction to fire classification B, S2D0. It's part of a complete system. We have the Ultrafix plug, which was also a fire retardant. On top of that, we have a fire retardant fleece overtaint. Well, I think the idea is obviously, hopefully through our registered installers, it would give them an additional USP in terms of being able to go and see their clients, who are ultimately the end user of the products or the benefactor of the Delta cavity drain system in their basement. Obviously, fire is a particularly emotive topic, has been over the last 3 years since the Grenfell Tower disaster, and I don't think that will ever lessen. So anything we can do to help reduce risk with our products and systems, it just seems a logical step.